Welcome to EasyFix. In this video I will show you how to increase this performance or increase the mileage. Okay, so here just open it. Yeah, so here normally we will have two holes. Okay, so this one is for enabling this choke. Okay, if you enable this choke, air will flow through this hole and increases the petrol flow. Okay, likewise here we are having a second hole which is controlled by this screw. So here this is for setting the idle speed. By adjusting this screw we can control the airflow when the engine is in idle. Okay, so then here you can see a hole over here. Okay, so this hole which is controlled by this needle. Okay, so this needle is in here, the width is in reducing form. Okay, so here we are having low width, here we are having high width. Okay, so if we insert this needle over that hole means when it is in the top position, that means here that hole was filled up to this level, means here this fuel air mixture level will be very low. Okay, when we accelerate, here what happens is this needle is pulled upwards. Okay, so here it would get reduced, therefore that gap get increased, which makes more flow of that particular fuel and air mixture. That's why while accelerating that speed get increased. Okay, so likewise here also, which is used to control this flow of fuel air mixture flow. Okay, initially it will be in this position. When we accelerate, here it get open, therefore which allows more air to move inside to the engine. Okay, so this is what the operation. Okay, so in the needle here we can have 5 cut. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so normally here this one will be arranged at the center one, that means at the third cut. Okay, so if we want to increase the performance, that means if we want high pickup, means here what we need to do is we need to keep this one at the bottom cut. Okay, therefore what happens, normally that needle will be in up position, therefore here the gap will be very high. Okay, so which will increase more fuel. Okay, so therefore here we will get high performance but the mileage get reduced. Okay, likewise if you want more mileage, means here what we need to do, we need to keep at the top position. Okay, so in this position we need to keep this one here. If you keep this one here, means here what happen, we will get more mileage because which will reduce the fuel flow. Okay, for better result we can keep the same in third position for better mileage as well as better performance. Thanks for watching.